Closed captioning is brought to you in part by Raven Reads. Unbox Indigenous voices. Subscribe today at ravenreads.org.
As settlers, we're grateful for the opportunity to meet here, and we thank all the generations of people who have taken care of this land for thousands of years. Long before today, as we gather here, there have been Aboriginal peoples who have been the stewards of this place. In particular, we acknowledge the traditional territory of the Haudenosaunee, Ojibwe, Chippewa, and Anishinaabeg. We recognize and deeply appreciate their historic connection to this place. We also recognize the contribution of the Métis, Inuit, and other Indigenous peoples have made, both in shaping and strengthening this community, in particular, and our province and country as a whole. So thank you. It is my pleasure to introduce Marg Benedict. Marg is the chair of the Chamber of Commerce, and she's also the chair of the Business Excellence Awards Committee. So welcome, Marg, and I'll let you take over.
Thank you, Diane. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our own Sound District Chamber of Commerce Excellent Business Awards. Thank you so much for joining us, as this is an extremely important event to showcase and honor businesses in our community. We consider our event as important and as relevant as the Oscar night. The best of the best were nominated by their peers and the community. We are here tonight to celebrate them. And now I would like to introduce Steve Morrill. Steve grew up in a small town, which is why he is so passionate about running for council in Grey West community. His political aspirations came from a long line of political engaged family members. Steve is currently serving on the Economic Development and Durham BIA boards, which proves he does have a really good sense of humor. Steve is passionate for his music. He is considered an acoustic artist and a one-man band all on his own. However, Steve also plays in a band called Higher Fountain. Did I say that? Okay, good. And part of that band is playing for us tonight. Steve was the Chamber's host in 2019 at the Roxy. We enjoyed him so very much, we invited him back to be our host again this year. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Steve Morrill, our host for this evening. Welcome, Steve.
Thank you very much. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Can we hear that music? Yeah. What is it? Is that the... Wow. Okay, so I got background music. Fantastic. Oh. Wow, you got a future in AV. Rogers, guys, make a note. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the intro. It is a pleasure to be back live in the OS. Whoop, whoop. Even if we had to drive through snow to get here, whoop, whoop. Yes, welcome to the BIA Awards. Yeah, that's what I call them, the BIA Awards. I know it's redundant to say the Business Excellent Awards, but as long as people say ATM machine, I'm going to call it the BIA Awards. Is that okay? Great. Thank you, and welcome to the BIA Awards. Tonight, I begin with a poem by me. Welcome to the BIA Awards. Tonight you are my ladies and lords. You can be a leader, a feeder, a queen, a newbie, a flowbie, a service machine. Tonight be a Mardi Gras reveler grand, be a schmoozer, a loser. Hey, how about that band? Be a skilled trade, well-paid, brick-laid winner. Be an entrepreneur, be a saint, be a sinner. Be a maker, be a shaker. Be precise, not shoddy. Be a mixer, be a fixer. Be a Thomas or body. Be a pleaser, a Caesar, young and a geezer. Be a home office champion. Be a paint strip teaser. Be a roofer, a hoofer, a worker in hygiene. Be elated, frustrated, be related to my genes. Be a banker, a thinker, drive a long-haul tanker. But as the British say, don't be a wanker. Be a builder, a quilter, a fixer of soffits. Be a gilder who thrilled her. Be a non-profit. Be a baker, a faker, a water closet maker. Be a Laker, a Quaker, don't be in God's acre. Be a healer, a sealer, a car or truck dealer. Be a real estate boss, no loss, high wheeler. Be a trainer, a stainer, be a brewer of beer. But you all be a winners to me, 'cause you're here. Yeah. Drop the mic. I didn't want to drop the mic, so I just dropped my poem. Thank you very much. Yes, as you heard in the lovely intro, I am running for Grey West, they called it, which I don't know, I like better. Sounds like the Great West. I am running in West Grey, so it'll be nothing but politics for 2 hours. I promise you, I'm over it as well. It's a long haul. And we're doing the old, are you doing the full 10, 11-day vote online thing as well? Yeah. Telephone? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing. There's no in-person voting, so it feels like it's going on forever. So come Monday at 8 o'clock, I'll be human again. But thanks for having me, and congratulations to everyone being in the same room in 2020. Yeah, cheers. Business longevity is an honor that all chambers of commerce take seriously, and we often talk about the hard work, the dedication, the passion necessary to succeed, but longevity crosses all sectors, and it's worthy of recognition and praise. That's why we're here tonight. On the screen here, we've been acknowledging our local businesses and organizations who are celebrating milestone anniversaries in our community. Our theme for this evening is Mardi Gras. Got to wear my favorite jacket. Merci beaucoup. And who better to have as our reception sponsor than Popeyes Louisiana Chicken Restaurant. And we are pleased to welcome... we're not going to welcome, because as all business owners who may be here tonight know, things pop up. Even at Popeyes. So there was a restaurant emergency. So our gal, who's going to say some words, Tanya, has gone to rescue Popeyes as we sit here and enjoy it. So suffice to say, thank you, Popeyes, for Mardi Gras. Woo! All right. Are you all ready for the awards? Yeah. Keep eating, but let's move to our first one. But first, we do want to explain the process for those who might be new to it, and for the category awards specifically. The Chamber sends out notification to the public that begins the nomination process. Nominations started in June of this year, with over 13 categories in which to place their nominations. The Chamber is very pleased to announce this year a new category in the agricultural sector. Agricultural sector. Once businesses are nominated, a list of the nominees were then sent out in August asking for the community to vote. The results of the winner for each category was then forwarded on to the Chamber. Now, I would ask that you refrain from applauding, if you want to do that in between bites, until after all the nominees in their category are announced. And our first category tonight is Business of the Year. 25 plus employees. The first award is the 25 and plus employees. And I'd like to invite, I'm going to get this one good, Mary Bonsprenis. Did I sound like a Mardi Gras person by saying that? Bonsprenis. Mary and Lori Gonzalez of Business Development Bank of Canada, who are going to come up and present this award. Mary? Sorry about your Cheers.
Good evening, everyone. This award is presented in recognition of the winner's positive impact on the area of Owen Sound, including demonstrated growth, sales leadership, an active involvement in the community, good business citizenship, and sound employee relations.
It also recognizes safety in the workplace, environmental awareness, introduction of a new product or idea, and expansion or exportation of goods or services. And the nominees are J.D. MacArthur Tire Services, Meridian Credit Union, Leon's Furniture.
And the winner is this does feel like the Oscars. MacArthur Tire.
Come on up, come on, come on up. Congratulations. Thank you. There you go.
Congratulations.
You don't have to say something, but are we just...
Thank you, everybody. Really want to give a warm thank you for everybody that voted, especially the public, and really nice to see everybody here tonight. I'm going to try to speak on behalf of my wife, who should be here. Unfortunately, she's not able to be here because she's feeling a little bit under the weather with hopefully not COVID, but we'll see. This is really special this year. We're celebrating also our 70th year in business. And thinking back about her father that started the business 70 years ago, and the business ethic that he used in just making sure that everybody was looked after. And I think as well now how the company's grown to look after the public locally. And it's really amazing, in my mind, what the fleets that we look after all over Ontario and even beyond that, as far as looking after them for tires. So, I'd like to thank everybody and enjoy your night.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Our next award is for Business of the Year for 1 to 24 employees. 1 to 24. That's a number. That's not the age of the employees. That's the number. And presenting for this category is our sponsor, BDO, Nate Richardson. Nate.
Hi, everybody. So as with the last award, this award is presented in recognition of the winner's positive impact on Owen Sound and area. Criteria included demonstrated growth, sales, leadership, and active involvement in the community, good business citizenship, sound employee relations, safety in the workplace, environmental awareness, introduction of a new idea, expansion, or exportation of goods or services. The nominees for this award are Total Recovery Massage Therapy and Wellness, Grey Bruce Plumbing Limited, Candor Shank Photography, Shankar Law, Moonfire Cannabis, Owen Sound Eye Repair, Great Canadian Boutique Outlet, Owen Sound IDA Pharmacy, King's Photography, the Georgian Bay School for the Arts, MR Transport Limited, Apex Traders, and Keddy Systems. The winner of the award is Total Recovery, Massage Therapy, and Wellness. Congratulations. Congratulations.
If you'd like to, sure. Do you? Yes.
Sure. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I am super grateful. Today is the 5th year that I've been in business. October 20th, 5 years ago. I can't even think right now. 5 years ago, I opened a small massage therapy practice in Shallow Lake as Shallow Lake Massage Therapy. We moved to Springmount as Total Recovery, and we're opening our brand new expansion this Saturday at 11 to 3 for our brand new wellness studio. So a lot of expansion in the last 5 years. This community is great, and I'm just so grateful for everybody. And thank you to everybody who's helped me get there, my partner included. He's been great. Thank you.
Fabulous. Congratulations to all the nominees as well. That was a heck of a list. Sounded like the list for councillor in West Grey. 14 we have running in Little West Grey. Oh, I picked a good year. Okay, the next category. It's time for the Skilled Trade Award and businesses with 6 or more employees. And here to announce and present this award is Stephen Benedict, Marianne Benedict Matherson of the Benedict Electrical Contracting Limited. Please welcome Stephen and Marianne.
Thanks. Well, this has Stephen's name on it. Do you want to do my part?
Go ahead. Mine's with a V.
Oh, dang it.
I'm a sinner, no saint.
Well, I'm not a saint, so I must. Anyhow, this award also highlights the winner as a company that raises the standard for the rest of the industry by their quality in leadership and customer service.
And the nominees are Design Electric, Riley's Roofing Limited, Grey Bruce Plumbing, Transformation Tree and Shrub Care, McMillan Electric, Riddell Contracting, and DJ Pete Roofing. And the winner is...
Apparently he doesn't want to get out of the envelope.
DJ Pete Roofing.
Apparently they're not here, so I'm going to take it and put it on top of my desk. Thank you, DJ Pete.
Marvelous. Congrats to DJ Pete and all the nominees, and thank you, Stephen and Marianne. Moving along, we are at our Community Service Award. I'd like to call on Casey Lynn from Sound Life Solutions, who will present this award and read our nominees. Casey Lynn. Yeah. Keep it going. When you applaud, it's so much easier to walk to the... There we go. Well, welcome.
Okay. This award is presented to a business for the contribution they have made within the last year, which has had an active involvement in the community and demonstrated good business citizenship. And the nominees are Owen Sound Hub, DC Taylor Jewelers, the River District, and Gray Gallery. And the winner is... Oh, not coming out of the envelope. Gray Gallery. So what do I say? I guess they're not here tonight, so we'll ship it to them. So do you want me?
Thank you, Casey Lynn, and congratulations, Gray Gallery, and all the nominees. Our next category is the Community Service Non-for-Profit. And Marilyn Hall, the real estate lady from Remax. There's a Freudian slip, right? That was for me. The real estate lazy. Yeah. She will be presenting the Nonprofit Award. The award is presented in recognition of the identified need within our community and who, through innovation, growth, sound business practices, and community partnerships, have served the community with vision and integrity. I leave it to you.
Thank you. That's all right. And first of all, when we were talking about volunteers and so on, I think there are a lot of volunteers from the Chamber who have done a really good job tonight. And I know that there's a lot of people out there that have done a lot of volunteering. But these are the groups that are, the nominees tonight are Home and Community Support Services from Grey Bruce, the Women's Center of Grey Bruce, Crime Stoppers of Grey Bruce, the Mission Thrift Store, Safe and Sound Grey Bruce, the Canadian Mental Health Grey Bruce, and the last one is the Billy Bishop Museum. Oh, just you could have had it open. And the winner is Community Service Not-for-Profit, and it's Billy Bishop Museum.
Yeah. Here tonight?
Is there anybody here tonight?
Yep. Gloria.
Gloria?
Yep.
Yep.
She's on the back of the room. Okay.
Yes. Gloria got the award for longest walk to the podium tonight as well. We're giving you that one, Gloria. That's right. Soak it in. Well done. Well done.
All the way up. You couldn't have been expecting it.
Definitely not. No.
Gloria, do
You,
you want to say?
you want to say some words, Gloria?
Do we lift it up? No, just bring the microphone down.
It's good.
I'm totally gobsmacked by this because there's such a wonderful group of nominees in this category. I was betting on Safe and Sound, although I did vote for mine. Thank you very much for this award. The Billy Bishop Museum, I hope you all come and visit us. We try to keep alive the memories of Billy Bishop, but that's not all we do there. We honor the memory and the service that our men and women who served in our armed forces all through ever since Canada was formed. And we'd like to hope that that you will come and see us and help us continue to do this, to keep these memories alive. Especially now we've got an incredible, I'm going to do a little promo here. We've got an incredible exhibit now about Afghanistan that some men that have served, veterans that have served, have shared their stories, and please come and see it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. And thank you, Marilyn. Our next category is Entrepreneur of the Year. This award is presented to an entrepreneur of 35 years and older who is self-employed, has shown initiative and innovation in a business venture, has introduced a new product or a new idea, and need not have been involved in a year-round business. And for this award, I would like to invite Diane Austin, CEO of the Owen Sound Chamber, to announce and present this award, Diane.
Thank you. Thank you, Steve. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, the sponsor for this category, Derek Smith from Transcontinental, was unable to make it tonight, so on his behalf, I'm going to present, unfortunately. Unfortunately, the sponsor for this category, Derek Smith from Transcontinental, was not able to make it this evening, so I'm going to present the award on their behalf. The nominees for Entrepreneur of the Year Award 35 Plus are Schoolie Mitchell, Miguel Cardenas, Holistic Beauty, Creative Choices Catering, Mama's Meals Food Service, and Arch Lines. And the winner is, it's not on the, here, that's open. I'm new here. Oh my goodness. Schoolie Mitchell, Miguel Cardenas.
Yeah.
I am so excited about this. Way to go, Miguel.
So
Way
good.
to go.
I didn't know I had to do a speech. Thank you.
Wow. Congratulations. There you go.
I just want to really thank the Chamber of Commerce. You guys do an incredible job getting all businesses going here in the community, and my wife for putting up with my new business and trying to work with it. And again, our business is just to help your business create more money. So give me a shout.
Go take pictures. Take pictures.
Congratulations. Okay, tonight is this event tonight is not possible without the full support of the business community, and the Chamber is very fortunate to have members step forward when asked to take a leadership role as major sponsors. We are very fortunate tonight to have Troy Life and Fire Safety as our title sponsor for tonight's gala, and I would like to invite up Amy Haltz from Troy to talk a little about their company. Amy. Welcome.
Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to be here tonight to talk to you about Troy Life and Fire Safety. I'm going to present some of our history about the company and share a little bit about what we do. So we are a private 100% employee-owned company. We offer fire alarm, fire suspension, and security products. Our head office is in Owen Sound, and our heritage dates back to 1929. Oh, I think we're on the wrong slide. Here we go. We have 990 employees across the country, and we work with various union locals. Our employees take part in annual training programs, and we have a robust environmental health and safety policy. Can you go back a slide? Sorry. Next, I wanted to share a little bit about our history. So in 2005, GE acquired the Edwards Life and Safety business, but GE did not want the sprinkler work. So a small group of employees purchased Troy Sprinkler and 12 offices from GE. In 2007, Troy Life and Fire Safety was established. We are 100% Canadian and employee owned. In 2007, we had 440 employees, and now in 2022, we have 990. We know that the customer and our employees are the key to our success. This next slide shows some more history on the company name and all the changes through the years. So as you can see, our heritage dates back to 1929 with the original Edwards Company. And now, as of today, Troy and Fire Safety. Our company is coast to coast. We have 28 offices across the country, with head office being in Owen Sound. We have 990 employees, and of that, 287 are sprinkler techs and 262 are fire alarm techs. We are 100% employee owned, and our annual sales are over 160 million. Next. We believe in a team-based organization. We have a strong commitment to quality, we embrace change, and we believe a continuous improvement is the way of life. And we are always ready to take on more responsibility. Service and life safety equipment is an essential service. No, we're good, sorry. Keeping our customer and our people safe is our priority. During the pandemic, we ran various programs to help keep people safe. We offered a $500 bonus for employees who were vaccinated. We offered paid time off to get the vaccine. We offered paid sick time for the employees who were sick or needed to care for families during this time. And we were nominated for the 2022 Workplace Benefits Award. So the next few slides, I'm going to go over a little bit about what we do. And it is truly a success story from 2nd Avenue East in downtown Owen Sound. So fire protection. We have the latest in fire detection technology engineered by Edwards. We have seamless retrofit applications, 24/7 emergency service, manufacturer trained techs, and custom diagnostic tools and advanced customized integrated systems. In our sprinkler fire protection, we specialize in design, installation, and maintenance with sprinklers, fire pumps, kitchen hoods, fire alarms, and our licensed fitters provide 24/7 emergency service. This is just an example of one of our projects we did for the Gordie Howe Bridge. This project included sprinkler suppression, standpipe, and fire alarm for 7 different buildings. This is another example of a big project we worked on in the Windsor Casino, which included new fire alarm panel and devices. I'm sure some of you will recognize these names, and they are part of our national accounts customers. This is a picture of a couple of our employees who traveled to Nunavut to work on our project at Alert. We are also in the marine fire and safety business. We provide marine fire and safety, fire protection systems, portable and fixed fire equipment, fire hoses and hydrants, water mist systems, and we're also doing all of the AOPS ships for Irving. We are here 24/7 for our customers. Life and safety risks do not keep our business hours, so neither do we. At Troy, we know that our people make the difference, so we'll end with a quote. Always treat your employees exactly as you want them to treat your best customer. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Well done.
Take my paper back.
Absolutely. Thank you, Amy. And thank you for your sponsorship tonight. I did? Yeah. Oh, let's go back then. Oh, I did. I missed an award apparently. Apologies. I think it was the yellow card I gave to the back table. Threw me off. So we're going to Entrepreneur of the Year Award. Yes, we already did one. Congratulations, Miguel. You're welcome. Yellow card still. But this is for under 35, so I think we just outed you. The entrepreneurs under the age of 35 become the business leaders of tomorrow. We invite Dave Shorey of the Georgian College Owen Sound campus to present this award. Please come on up, Dave. You were wondering when it was going to happen.
I thought it got bounced.
I kept you on the tender hooks.
Yeah, you did.
Welcome.
I was on the edge of my... Yeah, I couldn't eat that bread. All right. Hi, everybody. This award is presented to an entrepreneur under the age of 35 who is self-employed, has shown initiative and innovation in a business venture, has introduced a new product or new idea, and need not have been involved in a year-round business. And the nominees are Owen Sound Dance Academy, Jack's Woodworks, Miski Paralegal Services, Premier Painting, Modern Pure Air, and MR Transport Limited. The winner is Jack's Woodworks. Will you accept it? Okay. Unfortunately, Jack's Woodworks could not be here this evening, so I will be happy to accept this award on their behalf. Congratulations to them. Thank you.
Bravo. Thanks, Dave. Thanks for your patience. Now, right? We're going to move on to the Hospitality Award, and this award confirms that the winner has demonstrated impeccable customer service, knowledgeable and courteous staff, and superior quality of product. And here to present this award is Bill Graham of Foodland, Owen Sound, and Markdale to present our Hospitality Award. He's the king? Oh, and he's also the king. Yes. So if you feel like bowing to Bill as he walks by. Oh, I see. Yes. He's got the crown on. Welcome, King.
Thank you, sir. I got to be honest, I just had to go to the bathroom, and I went to the bathroom, then went to wash my hands, and I looked at myself in the mirror, and I thought, oh, my God. Anyhow, I wanted to take this time also, Diane, I hope it's okay, to recognize, you know, the last 3-4 years, what everybody's been through, and a big thanks to the Chamber of Commerce, Diane and her team on everything they did for the last 3 to 4 years to hold us all together. Thank you very much. Second thing I'd like to recognize is you guys, the entire city of Owen Sound in the last 3 to 4 years. We look at all the negativity we've been through, but I'd like to focus on the positives. Focus on how it's brought us closer together as a community. Focus on how we backed each other, small organizations, small businesses, to make it survive. I'd like to also take the time to think about the people that didn't survive in business and reach out to them and what can we do for them. We have together, pulled together as a community in the last 3 to 4 years, and we have done some unbelievable things, folks. So I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your community and everything that you guys have done for us. Thank you. Now, on to the Hospitality Award. The Hospitality Award confirms that the winner has demonstrated impeccable customer service. Oh, you already said that, didn't you?
Yeah.
So the nominees are Maple Haven, B&B, the European Bakery, Sunday's Ice Cream Parlor, Best Western Inn on the Bay, and Mudtown Station.
Ooh.
Oh my God, am I ever proud of you. The winner is the European Bakery. This is sweet. Oh, congratulations.
This is very exciting. We've had 2 very, very hard years, and this is a real treat. And a real treat for Ashley and Mary, who are with me today. We have all worked very hard to pull ourselves out of a very, very, very deep hole. And my staff and everyone else, I really appreciate it, and this is a real treat, so thank you.
Bravo. Congratulations. Thank you, King Bill. Our next category, the Small Office / Home Office Award, is once again tonight sponsored by Sid Austin, General Manager of Staples. Sid, please come on up, join me and help present tonight's award. Yeah.
Making sure it's on your face there.
I do. Well, it's pretty hard to follow the king. Those wonderful words that Bill spoke, and I could only echo it because this is a great community. Our award is for small office and home office and represents 1 or 2 person operation that has demonstrated significant business achievement. I guess I'm as bad as Diane. Sustainable financial performance and a high level of customer service. And the nominees are Ashley Cunningham Mortgage Architects, L&W Bookkeeping, Tibbs Management, and Katie Systems. And the winner is the Spence Building, Ashley Cunningham, Mortgage Architects.
Give her a hold.
Congrats.
Okay, thank you, Sid. All right, so honestly, I wasn't expecting this, and I wasn't expecting to have to speak. And anybody who knows me knows I don't really talk a lot. But I would just like to thank the chamber, and I have a whole group of cheerleaders in the back corner there. We already have 2 yellow cards. Anyways, I love what I do. I've been doing it for quite some time, and it's really nice to be here with everybody after a really challenging couple of years. So thank you for the Chamber for hosting a wonderful event, and thank you, I guess, to all my clients as well. I love helping people. So anyway, have a great evening and enjoy your dinner.
Congratulations, Ashley. Thank you, Sid. And congrats to all the nominees in that category. Yes, and for keeping that team on track of 2 yellow cards. Well done. Yes, and now we know why you're in the back. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is the New Business of the Year Award. And this award this year is sponsored by Sweet Spots, Flexible Business Space, and Penny Murphy will be announcing and presenting the winner. This award is presented to the business that has been established in the last 30 months. They have shown initiative, innovation in a business venture, introduced a new product or a new idea, and demonstrated potential to succeed. So please welcome to the podium to present Penny. Penny, come on up. Oh, you're welcome. Cheers.
So the nominees are Miskey Paralegal Services, Spit and Shine Detailing, Moonfire Cannabis, Keddy Systems, Happy Yoga and Fitness, Boone Bakery Cafe, and Spencer Safety Solutions. And the winner is, just rip it. Miskey Paralegal Services. So Jesse's not here, but Reed is going to accept on his behalf.
Congrats. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Hello, everyone. My name is not Jesse Miskey. I'm Reed Middleborough with Remax, but if I was Jesse Miskey, I would say thank you to everyone for a great first year in business, as well as that he's happy to serve the community. He's got offices in a few different places throughout Georgian Triangle, Owen Sound, and I believe also in Bruce. And if you ever do need legal services, please give Jesse a call. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the nominees in the New Business Award. And now comes our Service Excellent Award. The sponsor of the 2022 Service Excellent Award is Ann Otterbein, owner of Owen Sound Travel. So please welcome Ann to the podium to present.
Good evening and welcome. And I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank the Owen Sound community and my loyal customers for being there. It's been a tough 2.5 years being in the travel business, as you can imagine. It was pretty lonely and very lonely. But, it was so nice that we had to be part of this community because I had so many customers and fellow colleagues who would just call up and say, "Hey, Ann, how's it going? What are you doing?" And I'd be like, "Well, not much." But they were just checking in to see how I was doing. They couldn't do anything about it, but they cared, and they would make that call, or they'd stop by and have a chat. So it's wonderful to be part of the Owen Sound community. I thank for that. And we're now finally coming out of it. Yay, and in fact, back up to full staff, and it's a good feeling. So the Business Excellence Award, this award is presented to a business that has shown special consideration for customers, ongoing employee training, a high level of community involvement, a friendly, honest, and approachable service. And the nominees are Aspect Hygiene, Onyx Smart Security, Sound Life Solutions, Wine Expert Owen Sound, Shankar Law, Sunpoint, MR Transport Limited, Stables Business Depot, Owen Sound IDA Pharmacy. And the winner is
Tough envelope, shouldn't it?
Yes.
We're making it difficult.
And the winner is Owen Sound IDA Pharmacy. It sounds like are not able to have a representative here this evening, but I'm happy to accept the award on their behalf.
Terrific.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anne, and congratulations to IDA Pharmacy. Next, we have the Skilled Trade Award. For those who are delicately carving through dinner, you know who you are. 1 to 5 employees. Again, that's number, people, that's not age. Just telling you. This year in the Skilled Trade Award, it was divided into 2 to reflect both small business with 1 to 5 employees and a second Skills Trade Award for business with 6 or more employees. For this first award, I'd like to ask Jeff Graham of GSS Engineering Consultants Limited to come forward and to help present the Skilled Trade Award for 1 to 5 employees. Please welcome Jeff to the podium.
Thanks very much, Stephen. This award highlights the winner as a company that raises the standard for the rest of the industry by their quality leadership and customer service. And the nominees this year are Neerhoff Custom Woodworking, J. Moyce Contracting, Mellish Appliance Service, Bear Wheel and Brake, High Branch, Pioneer Masonry, and Trident Worldwide Document Clearing Services. And the winner is... Okay, all right. Okay, you don't think so? Okay. The winner is Pioneer Masonry. And apparently they're not available tonight, so I'm accepting their award on their behalf. And again, thanks and appreciation to Pioneer Masonry, and we're proud to sponsor the Chamber Dinner tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeff, and congratulations, Pioneer. All you are is another brick in the wall. Thank you for those who like Pink Floyd. And next we have, I believe, a new category. The final award for tonight is the Chamber's newest award, the Agriculture Award. This award recognizes excellence in the agriculture field, supporting our local farmers. To our local farmers, all are recognized in this category. And I would like to invite Rhonda White from Scotiabank to help present this award this evening. Rhonda.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to present the first ever sponsor for a very important award. And the nominees are Blue Water Lavender, Georgian View Ag Services, Huron Bay Cooperative, and Sprucedale Agromont. Am I going to have a hard time opening this? Yep.
And I'm not sure if the winner's here.
And the winner is Blue Water Lavender Farm. So they're not here, so we'll accept this award on their behalf. Thank you.
Thank you, Rhonda. Congratulations, Blue Water Lavender, and all in the new agriculture. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the award ceremony. Congratulations to all nominees and all winners for 2022. Bravo. We need to say thanks, though, to a whole bunch of people on behalf of the Chamber, so if you can just bear with me a little bit. We want to thanks for all the attention that the Chamber and the awards got from our sponsors, Bayshore Broadcasting and 92.3 The Dock. Yeah. And a special thanks to Best Western Inn on the Bay for the fabulous food tonight. And also keep it going for the wait staff. Yes. Thank you, Best Western. Ashley, you'll get a piece of that later as well. You're welcome. Rogers TV tonight recorded the event and will be rebroadcasting, right? So, table at the back, if you want to see your 2 yellow cards, you can rewatch this in the future. So, we want to give one more round of applause, please, to our title sponsor tonight, Troy Life and Fire Safety, and a reception host, Popeye's Louisiana Chicken. Yes. Whew. And I just like to say, Troy's Fire is 100% employee owned. Miguel, are you 100% employee owned? Yes. Just like my favorite beer, Beau's Beers, Van Leek Hill, outside of Ottawa, organic, all owned by employees. Well done. A special thank you to also our category sponsors, all the sponsors, many of whom who have supported this event year over year over year. We can't thank you enough.
It's just Diane. So anyway, first of all, I would like to thank Steve Morrell and his band. Stephen Morrell and his band, and I'm hoping we'll get to hear some more music.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. That'd be great. Anyway, thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the evening. There's still lots. I think dessert is coming soon. So just have fun, and congratulations to all the winners. I had no idea, and I was pretty excited. So thank you, and thank you all for coming. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Call the Rogers TV viewer response line, email us, or connect with us on social media.
Are you the type who would keep going or stop? It's not easy to stop when you have an addiction. Legalizing cannabis won't stop addiction. It trivializes its consumption. Let's be vigilant. If you need help, visit portage.ca.
Game TV's turning 15, and we're celebrating by giving away money. Lots of money. Watch Game TV weeknights at 8. Spot the special code.